வணக்கம். வாழ்க வளமுடன். மேக்ஸ் இஸ் நாட் டிஃபிகல்ட். கணிதம் கடினம் அல்ல. அயராத உழைப்பு, தொடர்ச்சியான முயற்சி, முயற்சியை மேற்கொண்டு பயிற்சி, இதுவே வெற்றிக்கான அறிகுறி. ரெகுலர் ப்ராக்டிஸ், periodical test, self-evaluation is the way to get maximum mark in the public examination. Once again, I'll tell you, if you are giving 100% mark for me, this will be helpful only 25% for your performance, for your improvement. But only way to get 100 out of 100, how to improve your performance through writing periodical tests and test yourself. Once again, I'll tell you, if you are giving 100% mark for my teaching, it will be helpful only 25% of your performance. The remaining 75% depends upon you, how you performed in the examination, how you present the answer in the examination. The way of preparation depends upon the 75%. That's why from today itself, you have to concentrate, write more tests, and evaluate the paper, identify the error, rectify the error. This is the better way to reach 200 out of 200 in the public examination. Today we'll discuss L'Hopital rule. Before going to the L'Hopital rule, first you should know the indeterminate form. Before going to indeterminate forms, first you should know some values. L'Hopital rule. L'Hospital rule. L'Hospital. F of sin 0 0, cos 0 1, sin pi by 2 1, cos pi by 2 0, log 1 0, log 0 minus infinity, log infinity infinity, e power 0 1, e power minus infinity 0, e power infinity equal to infinity. So, you should know first these are the values. Then, indeterminate form. What are the indeterminate form? When we substitute, the result is 0 by 0, infinity by infinity, infinity minus infinity, infinity power 0, 0 power 0, 0 power infinity, 1 power infinity, then 0 into infinity are the sum of the indeterminate form. Then limit x tends to a f of x by g of x. When we substitute x is equal to a, if the result is in indeterminate form, apply L'Hopital rule. Before apply L'Hopital rule, just you have to verify the problem, it is in general form. What is the general form? Limit x tends to a f of x by g of x. Only numerator we can't able to apply L'Hopital rule. Both numerator and denominator, then only you can apply L'Hopital rule. When we apply L'Hopital rule, when we substitute the limit, if the result is in indeterminate form, then only we can apply L'Hopital rule. We can apply L'Hopital rule. So after apply L'Hopital rule means differentiate numerator separately, denominator separately. Then once again substitute the limits. If the other than indeterminate form, stop the problem there itself. That is the value of the limit. If it is in indeterminate form, once again you have to apply L'Hopital rule. That is the procedure to solve L'Hospital rule. L'Hopital or L'Hospital. In Tamil, L'Hopital, English, L'Hospital. Now take exercise number 5.6. Question number 1. limit x tends to 2, limit x tends to 2 sin pi x by 2 minus x, sin pi x by 2 minus x. So, when we substitute x is equal to 2, when we substitute x is equal to 2, that is sin 2 pi is 0, 2 minus 2 is 0, that is 0 by 0 form, 0 by 0 form. 0 by 0 means indeterminate form. If you understood, if you write form, this is understood, it is the indeterminate form. Now apply L'Hospital rule. L'Hospital rule means limit x tends to 2, differentiate numerator separately, cos pi x, differentiation of pi x is pi, 2 minus x, differentiation is minus 1. Once again, x is equal to 2, that is pi by minus 1 taken out, cos 2 pi. X is 2 means 2 pi. Cos 2 pi value is 1. Minus pi into 1 equal to minus pi. That is the limit x tends to 2 sin pi x divided by 2 minus x. Once again listen. First step, substitute x is equal to 2. 2 minus 2, 0. Sin 2 pi 0. 0 by 0 means indeterminate form. If it is indeterminate form, apply L'Hospital rule. Limit x tends to 2. Sin pi x is cos pi x differentiation is pi, 2 minus x is minus 1, pi by minus 1, cos x replaced by 2, 2 into pi is cos 2 pi. Cos 2 pi value is 1, minus pi into 1 is minus pi. Minus pi into 1 is minus pi. The question number 2. Limit x tends to 0, limit x tends to 0, x minus tan x minus x by x minus sin x. Tan x minus x by x minus sin x. What is the first step? Substitute the limits. When we put 0, tan 0 is 0, 0, 0, sin 0 is 0, 0 by 0 form. 0 by 0 form. Form means it is indeterminate form. தமிழ்ல தேரப்பெறாத வடிவம். தேரப்பெறாத வடிவம் இருந்தா L'Hospital rule பயன்படுத்தணும். இது L'Hospital rule. Apply L'Hospital rule. L'Hospital rule. Limit x tends to 0. Tan x differentiation is secant square x minus 1, 1 minus sin x differentiation is cos x. Once again substitute x equal to 0, secant 0, 1 minus 1, 1 minus 1, that is 0 by 0 form, that is indeterminate form. Secant 0 is cos 0's reciprocal. Cos 0, 1, 0 by 0 form. Once again differentiate. Apply L'Hospital rule, L'Hospital rule. Secant square x is 2 secant x. Secant x differentiation is secant x tan x by 1 is 0, cos x differentiation is minus sin x, that's why plus sin x. Now 1 by sin x is limit x tends to 0, 2 secant square x tan x by sin x. 2 secant square x tan x by sin x. So we know that tan x is sin x by cos x. Limit x tends to 0, 2 secant square x by sin x. Tan x is sin x by cos x. 1 sin cancel, 1 by cos is secant. That's why limit x tends to 0, secant cube x, then 2 secant cube x. Listen, 2 secant square x by sin x, tan x is sin x by cos x, 1 sin cancel, 1 by cos is secant, secant into secant square, secant cube x. But we know that secant 0 is cos 0's reciprocal. Cos 0 is 1. Reciprocal of 1 is 1. Therefore, 2 into 1 cube equal to 2. Once again listen. Put x equal to 0. Tan 0 is 0. Minus 0. 0. Sin 0 is 0. 0 by 0 indeterminate form. Theraprada vadivam. Apply L'Hospital rule. So, limit x tends to 0. Tan x differentiation is secant square x. X differentiation is 1. 1 minus sin x is cos x. Now apply the limit 1 minus 1 by 0 form. So if it is indeterminate form, apply L'Hospital rule. Limit x tends to 0, 2 secant x, differentiation of secant x is secant x tan x, 2 secant square x tan x by sin x, 2 secant square x by sin x, tan x is sin x by cos x, 1 sin cancel, 2 secant cube x, that is 2 into 1 cube equal to 2. Is it clear? Now question number 3. Question number 3, it is easy, you will try. Question number 4 also easy, you will try. Just I will give the idea. Limit x tends to 0, sin inverse x by x. When we put 0, sin 0, 0, x is 0, 0 by 0 form. Then apply L'Hospital rule. Limit x tends to 0, sin inverse x differentiation is 1 by root of 1 minus x square. X differentiation is x. Substitute x equal to 0, 1 by root 1 is 1. The next problem, limit x tends to 2. Put 1. Limit x tends to 2, x power n minus 2 power n by x minus 2. What is the first step? Substitute the limit x is equal to 2. When we substitute x is equal to 2, 2 minus 2 is 0, 2 power n minus 2 power n 0, 0 by 0, that is indeterminate form. Theraprada vadivam. Apply L'Hospital rule. Apply L'Hospital rule. L'Hospital rule. So the pronunciation இங்க ஜெர்மன் இங்கிலீஷ்ல ஒரு மாதிரி சொல்லுவாங்க, பிரெஞ்சில் ஒரு மாதிரி இருக்கும், அமெரிக்கன் இங்கிலீஷ்ல ஒரு மாதிரி இருக்கும். Actually this is French. L'Hospital rule. Limit x tends to 2, n x power n minus 1. Here there is no x, that's why 0. Differentiation of x is 1, differentiation of 2 is 0. After differentiation, substitute x is equal to 2, that is n 2 power n minus 1. First step, when we put x equal to 2, that is 0 by 0 form, apply L'Hospital rule, limit x tends to 2, differentiate numerator separately, denominator separately, substitute x is equal to 2, that is the result. Is it clear? Now sum number 5 in the exercise number 5.6. Limit x tends to infinity, sin 2 by x divided by 1 by x. And sum number 6, 5 and 6 most probably same. I will do it sum number 6, try sum number 5 in home. Sum number 6, limit x tends to infinity, 1 by x square minus 2 tan inverse of 1 by x, 2 tan inverse of 1 by x divided by 1 by x. Let us consider y equal to 1 by x. Then x tends to infinity, y tends to 0 because any number by infinity is 0. Any number by infinity is 0. Limit y tends to 0, y square, because 1 by x is y, 1 by x square equal to y square. Suppose 2 by x means 2y minus 2 tan inverse of y divided by y. Limit y tends to 0, y square minus 2 tan inverse of y divided by y. When we substitute y equal to 0, 0 minus 0 by 0, that is 0 by 0 form. That is indeterminate form. தேரப்பெறாத வடிவமாக இருந்தால் L'Hopital rule பயன்படுத்துவோம். L'Hopital rule. Apply L'Hopital rule. Differentiate numerator separately, denominator separately. Limit y tends to 0, y square differentiation is 2y minus 2, tan inverse y differentiation is 1 by 1 plus y square, differentiation of y is 1. Y square differentiation is 2y minus 2, differentiation of tan inverse y in வகைக்கெழு 1 by 1 plus y square, y differentiation of 1. Here don't put dy by dx because with respect to y. Y க்கு 0 போட்டிங்கன்னா 0 minus 2 by 1 divided by 1, that is minus 2. Left hand side limit extends to infinity, 1 by x square minus 2 tan inverse x 1 by x divided by 1 by x. That is the problem. What is the problem given? That is left hand side. Is it clear? So here 1 by x square, that's why we can't able to solve. Let y equal to 1 by x. When we put x tends to infinity, y tends to 0. Limit y tends to 0, y square minus 2 tan inverse y divided by y. 0 minus 0 by 0, that is 0 by 0 form. Apply L'Hopital rule. Limit y tends to 0, differentiation of y square is 2y minus 2 tan inverse y differentiation is 1 by 1 plus y square divided by 1. Substitute y equal to 0, will get minus 2. Is it clear? Now shall we go to the next problem? Problem number 7. Limit x tends to infinity, log x base e. Don't read log e power x. Log x base e divided by x. What is the first step? Step number 1, substitute the limits. When we put infinity, log infinity already given infinity by, that is infinity by infinity is indeterminate form. If it is indeterminate form, apply L'Hopital rule. Limit x tends to infinity, log x differentiation is 1 by x, x differentiation is 1. Log x differentiation is 1 by x, x differentiation is 1. Now what we have to do? X tending to infinity means x is equal to infinity, that equal to 1 by infinity by 1, that is 0 by 1 equal to 0. 0 is not an indeterminate form. That's why the answer of the problem, limit left hand side in conclusion part, write the problem log x base e divided by x equal to how much? 0. Listen, when we substitute x is equal to infinity, log infinity is infinity, infinity by infinity form, apply L'Hopital rule. Log x differentiation is 1 by x, differentiation of x is 1, then 1 by infinity by 1 equal to 0 by 1. The next problem, limit x tends to 0, cot x by cot 2x. Limit x tends to, this is a question, limit x tends to 0, cot x by cot 2x. When we substitute x equal to 0, cot 0 means tan 0 reciprocal. What is tan 0? Tan 0 is 0. Zero's reciprocal is infinity. Infinity by infinity form. If it is cot, solving the problem is difficult. That's why cot convert as tan. Limit extends to 0, tan 2x by tan x, because cot x is 1 by tan x. Cot 2x is 1 by tan 2x. Simplify, I'll get tan 2x by tan x. When we substitute 0, that is 0 by 0 form, because tan 0 is 0. Therapparada vadivam, indeterminate form. Apply L'Hospital rule, L'Hopital rule. Limit x tends to 0. Apply L'Hospital rule means differentiate numerator separately, denominator separately. What is numerator in the problem? Tan 2x. Differentiation of tan 2x is secant square 2x into 2 divided by secant square x. Now apply x is equal to 0, that is secant 0. Secant 0 value is 1. Secant square 0 by secant square 0 into 2. Secant 0 means cos 0's reciprocal. Reciprocal of 1 is 1. That's why equal to 1 square into 2 divided by 1 square equal to 2. 1 square into 2 divided by 1 square equal to 2 by 1 is 2. The next problem, here any doubts? When we substitute x equal to 0, you got infinity by infinity form. Tan x by tan 2x by tan x 0 by 0 form. Apply L'Hopital rule, limit x tends to 0. Tan 2x is secant square 2x into 2. Tan x differentiation is secant square x. Substitute the limit, will get the result. Now the next problem, problem number 9. Limit x tends to 0 plus 0 plus x square log x. Why 0 plus means log s does not exist when x is 0 and less than 0. When x equal to 0 and less than 0, that's why 0 plus means it is above 0. It is exists only this part. Log x curve exists only in first and fourth quadrant. It does not exist in second and third quadrant. That's why 0 plus. The first step, when we put x equal to 0, 0, log 0 is minus infinity, 0 into infinity. It is the indeterminate form. So now we can't able to apply L'Hospital rule in Tamil. L'Hospital rule. So we limit x tends to 0, x square log x. It is not in the form of f of x by g of x. First you have to convert into general form. இது பொதுவான வடிவத்தில் இல்லாததனால இத பொதுவான வடிவத்துக்கு மாத்தணும். பொதுவான வடிவம் எப்படி இருக்குன்னா f of x by g of x. log x மாத்த முடியாது, அதனால x ஸ்கொயரை மாத்தணும். யாரெல்லாம் மாத்த முடியாதுன்னா, யாரெல்லாம் டெஸ்ட் எழுதாது இருக்கிறீங்களோ அவங்களெல்லாம் கண்டிப்பா எங்களால சேஞ்ச் பண்ண முடியாது. யாரெல்லாம் ரெகுலரா டெஸ்ட் எழுதுறீங்களோ அவங்கள சேஞ்ச் பண்ண முடியும். இப்ப இருக்கிற மார்க்ல இருந்து ஒரு நல்ல மார்க். So limit x tends to 0 plus log x, x square comes to denominator 1 by x square. Now it is the form of f of x by g of x. Once again substitute 0, log 0 is minus infinity, 1 by 0 is infinity form, that is Therapparada vadivam. Apply L'Hospital rule. What is L'Hospital rule? Differentiate numerator separately, 0 plus, numerator separately. What is differentiation of log x? 1 by x. Already we studied differentiation of 1 by x square is minus 2 by x cube. Minus 2 by x cube. Now limit x tends to 0 plus, that is minus x cube divided by 2x, x square. When we substitute 0 plus is 0 by any number is 0. 0 by any number is 0. The answer is 0. Listen, 0 plus means approximately it is equal to 0, nearer to 0. That's why I put x equal to 0, 0 square by 2 equal to 0. Is it clear? Why here we changed means it is not in general form f of x by g of x. Now log x plus x square comes to denominator 1 by x square. Then once again substitute the limit, you will get minus infinity by infinity, apply L'Hopital rule to get the result. Then sum number 10. Sum number 10, limit x tends to 1, limit x tends to 1, x power 1 by x minus 1. X power 1 by x minus 1. What is the first step? 1 by 1 minus 1 is 0. Any number by 0 is infinity, 1 power infinity form. This is also indeterminate form. Here we can't able to convert general format, that's why let y is equal to x power 1 by x minus 1. இதை கீழே கொண்டு வரணும்னா only one possibility, taking log on both sides. Log y equal to log x power 1 by x minus 1. Log x power m equal to m log x. Log y equal to 1 by x minus 1 into log x. Log y equal to log x by x minus 1. Now apply the limits. Limit x tends to 1, log y equal to limit x tends to 1, log x by x minus 1. Limit x tends to 1, log x by x minus 1. Hello.